Before we get into the video, let me introduce Kongmai's pickles to you all. And she's a Khasi mother and her husband is Tangku. So she's been inspired by the Tangku food and the culture. It is located in Upper Lumparing, Shillong, and she can deliver our pickles all over the India. And it is open from 10 AM to 8 PM. You can follow them on Instagram or check out Kongmai's pickles in Google, or you can contact through their WhatsApp business contact. I will give the WhatsApp number and Instagram links or Google links on my description, so make sure to check it out. And she gave me 8 pickles, and this pickles is mainly made using mustard oil, ginger, garlic, king chili powder, or salt and spices. She gave me pork inwards pickles and chicken pickles, and then this is kidney beans pickles, and then beef pickles, and then this is also pork pickles, and then this is bamboo shoot pickles, and then this is chili pickles, and this is chicken gizzard pickles. So first of all, I'm gonna taste this pork inwards pickles. It's spicy and it's tasty, and this is all homemade, so it's very hygienic. This is chicken pickles. If I have this, I can eat more than 3 plates. Kidney beans. Look at this. This is beef pickles. It doesn't taste like any other pickles I've tasted, I've eaten. And this is also pork pickles. Bamboo shoot pickles. This is bamboo shoot pickles. Ooh, this is gonna be tasty. Win nga, new pickles and that. Thanks to Kongmai's pickles for sponsoring this video and for giving me all these pickles. No. And next we have chili pickles. This is chicken gizzard pickles. This is chicken pickles. Tell me if you like it or not. Yes. Is it tasty? What about you? Tasty or not? You know, I already have my dinner, but I would like to have my dinner again. And yes, this is Kongmai's pickles. I will keep all the link, Instagram, Google, WhatsApp number in my description. So make sure to check it out and make sure to buy these pickles, whatever you want. Yeah, and always have a great meal. With that being said, let's get into our video.
Here we go.
Yo, what's good fam? It's your boy 𝙆𝙤𝙣𝙖𝙤 and welcome back to my another video. And today, yeah, as you see in the title, today is to unbox my silver play button. I just received it. Yeah, I'm so excited, and I have been seeing other YouTubers receiving the 100K milestone, and I have been waiting for this day. I have been waiting for my turn. Yeah, I haven't opened it yet. I'm gonna unbox it. Before that, let's recap how far I have come. Let's go. I'm back from the college and it's raining so hard in Shillong. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is 𝙆𝙤𝙣𝙖𝙤. I'm a man. True love girls stuck in one space. Got no keys and got no face. I got my first salary from YouTube, and right now I'm at my hometown quarantine center. Pinot. Perfect with the same names, putting bars, kissing any papa name. Will you rate me from 1 to 10? FBI open up! Fuck you, bro! Coming to you live from the hills and the mountains northeast. Represent Tamenglong is where I'm from. Both of you are going to be arrested for stealing my heart. Sino nga magsarong may sadgoy? Yes, that's how far I've come. It was an amazing journey. Let's open it. Okay, I'm gonna cut out this one. Then I'm gonna cut out this one. to be careful because I don't want to break my silver play button, you know. Hey. Okay. Oh. Okay. This is congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are thrilled to see the development of your community and are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. Thank you. Yours sincerely, Susan Wozki, something like that. Yeah. CEO of YouTube. Here it is. Here is the silver play button. Here. This looks so cool. Presented to 𝙆𝙤𝙣𝙖𝙣𝙠𝙡𝙀 for passing 100,000 subscribers. Woo! What word to say? Finally, the 100,000 subscribers milestone. Silver play button over here. I can see myself. I just met one of my legacy. When people ask who is the first Kongmai YouTuber to achieve 100k subscribers, then it's none other than 𝙆𝙤𝙣𝙖𝙣𝙠𝙡𝙀, son of 𝙃𝙤𝙢𝙢𝙖𝙀 and 𝙃𝙤𝙢𝙢𝙀 from 𝙃𝙤𝙢𝙢 village and representing Tamenglong town. Woo! And yes, I cannot achieve this silver play button, or I cannot go far if I didn't got your support. It's all because of your love and support which I have received throughout my journey. I just hope you guys someday can come and touch the silver play button and yeah and feel the vibe, or feel the journey and feel how far we have come. And yeah, as Snoop Dogg is saying, like I want to thank myself too for believing in me and for not giving up, no matter how hard the journey is, no matter how many people criticize me. And also, most importantly, yeah, thank you all. This is the fruit of your love and support. So before winding up this video, what I want to say is, like, for those who wants to become a YouTuber, who are thinking of starting a YouTube channel, you guys should go ahead. I mean, come on, man, you can do it. Yeah, just go ahead, be different, be unique from others. Don't do what others are doing, be innovative. Yeah, we can see even in our community, when someone open a fruit shop, then yeah, someone will open a fruit shop. There's like that, but that wouldn't make you become successful. So be innovative. If someone sells fruit, you sell vegetable. That's what I want to say. Be different, be unique, and also don't give up and keep going, no matter how long or how hard the journey is. If I can do it, then you can do it too. And when I first started my YouTube channel, I never thought that I would achieve 100,000 subscribers. I never thought that I will see silver play button with my name, but here it is. Yes, I nearly quit YouTube. Sometimes I lose motivation, and also sometimes I got carried away by those criticism, or yeah, not having ideas for a new video. But also I got lots of love and lots of support from you all, and that's the only reason why I kept pursuing YouTube. With all your love and support, I have achieved 100k subscribers, and here we are with silver play button. And yeah, I just want to say, may God bless you all with abundance of joy, prosperity, love, and success, and may God give you more than what you have given. May you find a supportive people like I found you all. And with that being said, I think I'll just wind up the video from here. I will hold my silver play button and I will sleep tonight. Yeah, thanks for watching, and thanks for the love and support, and yeah, see you all in the next video. Thank you, bye, and peace.